The HOSTACK 6-drawer white dresser offers an impressive amount of storage space with its deep drawers and convenient flat tabletop, making it a practical addition to any room. Its modern farmhouse style, featuring natural wood grain and antique bronzed finished ring pulls, adds a charming rustic touch that fits seamlessly with various decor styles. This versatile dresser can be utilized in multiple rooms, whether for storing toys in a playroom or organizing daily essentials in a hallway, providing flexibility for your storage needs. Constructed from high-grade manufactured wood, this dresser ensures remarkable durability and can support up to 250 pounds on the tabletop, prioritizing safety with included anti-tipping accessories. The assembly process is straightforward, with clearly labeled pieces and instructions, allowing for an easy setup whether you tackle it alone or with a partner. Safety is a key feature of this dresser, as it complies with ASTM safety standards for clothing storage units, minimizing the risk of tip-over injuries.